how to update Instagram app. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. This tutorial you'll learn how you can update your Instagram application. Keeping your Instagram application up to date ensures that you have access to the latest features and bugs and bug fixes. So how do you do so? You can just leave your Instagram page. You should leave your Instagram page actually. Then head over to your Play Store. It could be App Store, it could be Play Store, depending on the kind of application that you are making use of. Then once you're in your Play Store, the next thing to do is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see a search box, and in the box type out the name of the application, which is Instagram, and then select it, and so you'll be brought to the Instagram page, all right, to the page where you see the app, different features of the app. So to update this app, move to the top right corner. You will see the option update, so just go ahead and click on it, and then you'd wait for it to load, and the amount of megabytes that it will cost you will be displayed, and then once it is done, to be updated, and your Instagram application would be up to date. So this is how you can update your Instagram application. Just go ahead and do this. Thank you for watching. Your mercies and goodness. This is how to verify